DTF transfers are the fastest and most cost-effective way to customize hats. If you've been in the custom apparel business as long as us, you'll know the vast majority of hat customization is done with embroidery. And while embroidery is great, it's time-consuming and can get quite pricey depending on the colors and thread count of the design. By using DTF transfers, not only will you get the same type of vibrant colors and professional finish that embroidery brings, but it's a much quicker process and far more cost-effective way to customize hats. Plus, you'll be able to apply transfers on the hats in a variety of different placements, something that can be very difficult with embroidery or just downright impossible. While I could talk about this all day, I'd rather just show you. So let's get to pressing. All right, so we got 3 hats here: athletic waterproof, 50-50 poly blend, and 100% cotton. So just like when we're pressing DTF transfers on garments, these things will press on any type of material, and we're gonna use the same temperature that we use. We're gonna go 320 on the top and then 130 on the bottom. You don't need to have them the same temperature. That would, overheat the hat a little bit. So we just like to keep it warm on the bottom one. Really, you don't need to use the bottom one, but we like to play it safe. We're gonna use the bottom one. So for this one, we're gonna press on the front. This one, we're gonna get a little press on the back. And then this one, we're gonna get a little funky with it, and we're gonna press on the side. So let's start with the simple one first. Use our heat-resistant tape to secure it on there. Just be careful when you're pulling it off. Obviously, it's a little hot. We're gonna use our cool peel blower like we always do. There we go, check that bad boy out. So as we do with our normal garment presses, we're gonna get a second press here just to get the nice matte finish that we like. There we go, you're branded up. So for the second one, like I said, we're gonna go on the back here. We're gonna use this little guy. So for these ones, you wanna be a little careful. Obviously we have this thing in the back, so you're gonna wanna press right above that. And for these, we like to just secure it on here first before we actually press, just so we have that nice little flat surface that we can just secure it on. There you go. And you still get that full color there, as you can tell. All right, so this is one we're gonna get a little funky with. We're gonna put it on the side. So just like we did with the back piece, we're gonna load it onto the hat press first before we actually put the transfer on there. Just makes it easier for us. Gives us that nice flat surface. Just like we did the first two. 350 on top, 150 on the bottom, 15 seconds. So look, we just decorated 3 hats in a matter of about 5 minutes. That's something that's just not possible with embroidery. And as you can see, you'll still get that vibrant, professional look that your customers are looking for. With DTF transfers, you'll never have to say no to another custom hat order again.